I don't like this place.
I don't think the people who own this place like this place. It's just for a night.
A lot can happen in one night.
Did you say the sign said 198?
It was 198. I swear to God it was 198.
Okay, what does that mean? That there's been 3 more suicides?
Or 3 more about to happen. Tell me.
We're not gonna make the top of anyone's list when it comes to customer satisfaction,
Obviously.
but we are #1 in California when it comes to one disturbing little detail. Since opening, more than any other motel in California, we have the most guest suicides.
We were no one. Maybe I should just be no one again.
I don't want to know. I really don't want to know. But in case you missed the announcement, the meet's canceled. So we're heading home. Pack it in. Pack it in!
Who's the last one? Lydia.
Take a long holiday.
She was totally controlled by Peter and she had no idea.
If you give